Okay, so this is the final project. This is for facial recognition. I used a tutorial from OpenCV. I used the Microsoft DigiFace 1 million dataset. These faces look kind of weird, but it ended up working. So these are kind of what the faces look like, just AI generated images. So I chose this one because there's in this batch that I had, there was like 2,000 different classes, and each of them had like 70 images about. So that's why I chose this one. So one problem that I had was that whenever I use the Fisher face recognizer, it just keeps on going forever and forever. So this one has been going on for about 3 hours or so. So I'm just going to stop that one. And I might have to just kill the terminal. That's fine. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the LBPH recognizer, and I will do the LBPH on this one. Okay. And I will run the train data. So this only takes about a minute to run, so it's a lot faster. Just whatever makes predictions about the face, it seems to be a little bit slower than Fisher face, whatever. Okay, so training is done. So now I will recognize the faces, and I just have some that I pulled up and what their associated class is. So once it does the CV window, should only take 15 seconds or so. Okay, here we go. So this is the face, and it says that it's unidentified, I think. So it's just because it wasn't confident in it. So this one, it said that it was 259 was the closest, but it was actually 0. And these are faces that it hasn't seen before. So I'll just keep on going. So this one predicted correctly. This one predicted correctly. That one's wrong. That was correct. That was correct. That one's wrong. Correct. Correct. Wrong. Wrong. Correct. Wrong. Wrong. Correct. Wrong. Correct. Wrong. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that was 10. So yeah, that's why I assumed that it should match up. And this one, these are just faces that it's seen before. And it should be that all of these are seen before. And they predict the same values that it's given. Okay, so there you go. So it predicted 100% for the faces that it's seen before, and 50% of the faces that it hasn't seen before. So I did a little bit of statistics, saying that this is the formula for the z-score, and I plugged in those values, and then I got a z-score of 38.73. So it definitely falls significantly higher than just randomly guessing. So yeah, that is the final project for face detection. Yeah.